Hi, good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine at home doing your work. I'm your math teacher Nitika from California Public School and welcome to the another session of sets. And today we are going to do some operations on sets. Here in this regard, in some operation on sets, first we will do union of sets. So what are the union of sets? Union of sets denoted with the symbol this like cap. The union of two sets A and B is the set containing all the elements belonging to both the sets A and B. It is denoted by A union B, where the symbol U is read as union. So here A union B means, in this, if I write in the set building form like X, what is the X element in the set? That is a set of A union B. In this, X belongs to either A or B. Either element belongs to A or either element belongs to B. In this form, we can say that X belongs to A union B. A union B is the form of another set. After union, we may prepare a one set and all the elements of A union B either belongs to A or belongs to B. I have some examples. Suppose I have set A 2, 4, 6, 8 and another set B 1, 2, 3. If I have to write the union of these sets like A union B, so what will be the elements in this A union B? I write all the elements of like B and A, but if any element is repeated two times, I write only once. Like here 1, 2, 3. Okay, first I write this element. Now 2 is repeated again. Now I ignore this 2 and goes further like 4, 6, 8. So these are the elements comes under A union B. You have to write all the elements, but repeated element you have to write once. So that is considered as A union B. So if you have to, suppose in your question they ask for the cardinal property of A union B. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be 6. Similarly, in second case, if A set is bat, cat, rat and B set is sparrow, pigeon, so no repetition is there. So if you write in this case A union B, you have to write all the elements like bat, cat, rat, sparrow, pigeon. Okay, now here third question. Again, if I write the cardinal properties of this cardinal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that will be 5. There are 5 elements in this. Now here in the A set and B set, if it is given in a set building form, first you convert into a tabular form like this way. If X belongs to whole number starting from 0 and X lies between 4 and 7, it means 4 and 7 is not included. So what are the numbers between 4 and 7 is 5, 6. So it means when you convert into tabular form, only 2 elements come under A set. And if you look at B set, here X belongs to natural number starting from 1 and my X value is less than 6. From 1 to less than 6 you have to write. It means 6 is not included. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that, when you are going to write A union B, so under this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First you write all these elements. Okay, now come to this. 5 is repeated. So we do not need to write it here. We move to the next element 6. And if you write for the cardinal property, so how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements will be there in this set. Next is intersection of sets. Intersection of set means denoted as the symbol cap, like this, inverted form of U or cap. So the intersection of two sets A and B is the set containing all the elements which are common to both the sets A and B, and it is denoted by A intersection B, where the symbol intersection is read as intersection. This symbol, cap symbol, this symbol, cap symbol, is read as intersection. A intersection B. That means if you are going to prepare the A intersection B set, so in this set X element represent the elements of A intersection B, and X element belongs to both A and B. At a time it will be present in A as well as in B. It doesn't mean that it's only in A, not in B. That is for union. But in intersection, condition is that another name is common element of both the sets A and B. So here X belongs to A intersection B. So in this form, if I have a set, A set is A, B, C, D, E, F, and here B set A, E, I, O, U. If I look at this common element, like A is present here, A is also present here. Now E, check for E. Yes, E is also present. I, no. O, no. U, no. Here B present, it's not common. C not common, D not common, and F not. Only what is common? A and E. So here when we write A intersection B, that means common element between A and B, only A and E. And if you write cardinal number of A intersection B, that is 2, and cardinal number of A intersection B is equal to 2. Now in my second question, if I have a set Sun, Earth, and B set is Jupiter, Saturn, Earth and Sun. If you look at this Sun and this Sun is common. This Earth and this element Earth is common. Another Jupiter, Saturn is not present in a set A. So what we write here? A intersection B, Sun and Earth. That means that is a common element in both the sets A and B. And if you go for the cardinal property of this, that gives you 2. There are 2 elements in this sets. Now here, next is if you have a question given in the set building form, like X element of the set where X belongs to integers. X is less than 3. If I reach at this point, it means less than 3 means all the negative elements included, but it is written with that X is positive, so there should not be any there should not be any negative number in this set. So starting from positive 0, 1 and 2, like here they said X belongs to I, then X less than 3. So we consider element, if X is positive number, then 0 not comes under either positive or negative. At 0 point that condition is neutral, like here in your number line here, if 0 is there, so that become neutral, no positive, no negative. After this is positive side and this is your negative side. This side when we move, that is positive side. And if they ask for the number less than 3 but X should be positive, so it means these two numbers comes under A set. So your A set becomes according to that 1, 2. Now B set. Now here X is a prime number less than 4. Less than 4. X is a prime number less than 4. Less than 4, there are only 2 prime numbers, 2 and 3. Now what is the common element between that? This is common element. So when you write an A intersection B, so that means only 1, but when you preparing the set A intersection B, that is only 2, and cardinal number is 1. So that is for what we have done today. Union of sets means you have to write all the elements of whatever sets is given to you, but repeated element should write only once. And intersection of sets means you have to write only the common element. Next one, more set is, we have disjoint set. Disjoint sets is another property of intersection. If suppose here this is A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 2 3, according to that if there is no element in common, suppose in I have another set, in this A set is 1 2 3 and B set is 4 5 and 6, and if you are going to write A intersection B, so here is 1 2 3 and B set is 4 5 6, so there is no common element in this. So in this my set becomes empty and there is no common element. If in two sets there is no common element, we denoted as disjoint sets. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if their intersection is empty, and if two sets have no element in common, they are called disjoint sets. Thank you. Have a nice day.